Ruth Roland with the first installment in my Fiddle Backup playlist. This tutorial is good for violin, viola, 5-string, even cello and bass. We'll find some value in it. Playing backup is a lot of fun, but it does use different muscles from playing melody, so pay attention to what your body is telling you and don't overdo it. We're going to start with the most basic backup technique, the chop. The chop has no tune, so you can play backup without knowing the chords that go with the melody. When we're chopping, we cover the strings with our left hand and slap the bow on the strings. You can do it anywhere on the violin. You can do it anywhere on the bow. I learned it at the frog. I think it's easiest there. You could do it at the tip. I've seen a lot of fiddlers do it at the tip, including Alison Krauss. But I think she keeps her bow a little looser than I keep mine, and she's just a better fiddler. Let's do some chops and experiment a little bit, see what works best for you. It's fun, isn't it? If you're having trouble getting a sound, tilt your bow away from you, and the further away from your face you play, the more likely you are to get a really good chop sound. Don't be afraid that you're going to hurt your violin. You won't hurt it just by putting pressure on the strings. I'll play and then you play. Now with the melody. Chop along with me on the right. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. You can also do different sounding points on purpose in a pattern. Let's do some chopping away from our face and toward our face. Near, far, ready, go. Near and far and ready, play. Now with the melody. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. So, when you're playing backup, pay attention to the signals your body is giving you and don't overdo it. When you're chopping, cover the strings with your left hand and slap the strings with your bow. And that's all there is to it. There is no right or wrong way. If it sounds good, it is good. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe and hit the notifications bell so you know when the next one posts. We'll be talking about open string chords. See you there.